Hello everyone and welcome back to Mooncap Crypto. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product which is known as Puppy Dex. So here we are on the website. You can check out Puppy Dex, the fun and community driven meme coin. Join the pack, a token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun. Powered by AI, a token built by AI and our ambition. You can check out no taxes, fixed supply of 100 billion, no burn, no redistribution fees. You can check out the pre-sale starting on PINKSALE. We will check it later into the video. You can check out no code, no funds, no team, a coin made by AI for public. PuppyDex isn't backed by a big company or anonymous chats. It's powered by something more honest, ambition, and AI. With no prior blockchain experience, this product was built step by step using GPT guidance, smart contract creation, tokenomics, design, website, and branding, community safe standards, continuous improvements, and much more. You can check out no secret team, no hype, just vision, code, as well as future. The journey has been shown here. PuppyDex is a community-driven, meme-inspired cryptocurrency designed to engage crypto enthusiasts and dog lovers alike. With zero transactions fees and fixed supply, PuppyDex offers seamless tradings and strong emphasis on community improvement, involvement, as well as a decentralized ecosystem. You can check out the mission statement has been shown here. So PuppyDex aims to unite puppy lovers and crypto enthusiasts in fun, community-driven ecosystem. Their mission is to create an entertaining and engaging meme coin that fosters a global network of supporters, providing joy and potential financial rewards without transactional barriers and centralization. You can check out the vision is PuppyDex as a leading meme coin that not only offers entertainment but also explores meaningful partnerships and utilities, therefore adding lasting value to cryptocurrency space. You can check out the contract address has been shown here. It's deployed on Binance, Smart Chain, PuppyDex Media, as well as details are given on the website. Now coming to PINKSALE, you can check out the PuppyDex pre-sale. It's starting in almost 4 days, so make sure to set your alarms right now. It's deployed onto the Binance Smart Chain. The minimum buy limit is 0.1 BNB, maximum buy is 3 BNB, and the soft cap is 25 BNB, hard cap is 100 BNB. Pre-sale rate and listing rates are given here. Also start and ending times are also shown here. Unsold tokens will be burned. Listing will be done on PancakeSwap. Liquidity percentage is 70%. Liquidity lockup time is 365 days. So overall the product is looking really good. Make sure to join the social media handles to come to know more about this product developments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. And if you like the product, make sure to participate into the pre-sale after doing some on research as well. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.